Welcome to MockWizard NEET application demonstration. MockWizard NEET is software application embedded on USB device with extraordinary features like non-copy, non-formattable and auto-upgrade features. It has last 45 years of PIQs, thousands of MCQs and user-friendly application software. Now let's explore how to register, how to use it, how to create tests, how to access reports and more. Plug in MockWizard NEET USB device to any working port of Windows PC. Now you can see CD drive MockWizard NEET partition. Now start application by double-clicking on MockWizard NEET application. Now you can see end user license agreement. Go through it and accept if you agree the terms and conditions. After accepting end user license agreement, user has to fill in the personal information, including name, email address, cell phone number, username and password for opening this application software. Persons with disabilities can click on PWD click box. It provides extra time for PWD students. After filling valid information, proceed further to complete final stage of product registration. Now you will receive OTP to your email address. Fill in OTP in application window and proceed. If you do not receive OTP to your email address, click on Resend button to receive OTP. Input correct OTP and you have completed registration process. Now you are logged in and you can see the dashboard. On the left top, it shows application name, that is MockWizard NEET. In the right top, there is my profile, which shows the information that I have filled while registering the product. Help tab has elaborate help content for this application. In Help tab, Check for update is for checking if there is any new update is available for improved application software or update in content on the device. Unmask, all the question is for unmasking. All the questions marked as out of syllabus or student does not want to solve henceforth. About shows software version of MockWizard NEET software. Below that there is unique hardware ID of your device. At footer of the application window, you can see total session time for which application is under use. Total number PYQs and MCQs loaded in the device. Now let's start using main features of the application software. There are two types of sessions for students: practice session and mock tests. Students can generate unlimited numbers of practice sessions and mock tests on any single chapter to multiple chapters of any subject. Let's explore practice session. This has two parts: PYQs only and PYQs plus MCQs. Now let's go for PYQs only. Select standard and select subject. Now you will see chapter names. You may select one chapter, multiple chapters, or all the chapters. Select chapters and proceed for test. Here you will find MCQs with single correct answers, MCQs with one or more answers correct, fill in the blanks, true or false, assertion and reasoning, and fill in numerical value. Now you can see question number 1 followed by 4 options. Select one of the correct options and click on Save and Next button. If you are not confident about the answer, you may click on Save and Mark for review. You can clear the selected answer by clicking on Clear Response. If you want to just mark the answer and don't want to save for submission, you can use Mark for review and Next. In the right pane, you can see question numbers of attempted questions with different colors. Color of the number indicates type of answer selected. Green is save and next, orange is save and mark for review. Blue is mark for review and next. Red is for unattempted or skipped questions. In the last row of the application, you will find mask, explain, hint, previous, next and end session. Mask is for marking syllabus which student does not want to attempt in future. Explain is for showing explanation or answer for the question. Hint is for showing hint for the question. Previous and next are for switching to previous and next question. End session is for submission of test if it is completed before stipulated time. After clicking on End Session, all the questions marked as Save and Next and Save and Mark for Review are submitted. In mock test sessions, select Standard, Subject and Chapters. After clicking on Start, you will see the instructions about how many questions to answer and marking system after reading that proceed to start exam. Other features of mock test are the same as that of practice session, except stipulated time. Now let's see test results. Click on Test Results. Click on the test that you have submitted recently and see the result. It shows date, total questions attempted, score, time taken, answered correctly, answered incorrectly, and unanswered questions. Below it shows review of the attempted questions for students for self-assessment. There are 3 buttons: correctly answered, incorrectly answered, and unanswered. Click on each button to see questions options, what was expected answer and what did you answer. In incorrectly answered and unanswered questions, explanation is showed to know what the correct answer was. So that's it in this presentation.